lot of people think AI is going to take over the workforce. That is not true at all. I mean, have you ever been to a restaurant and your waiter is literally a robot? It's happened to me before, and it takes forever to get your food out. These robots, they're interesting. But what a lot of people don't know is that we can leverage the use of these robots or these AI tools to help make ourselves some money. And that is exactly what we're going to be talking about today. We're going to be going over 5 different AI tools that can potentially help you make $1,000 a day. But the catch here is we're going to be talking about different AI tools that can help you make money specifically with YouTube. And I say this because my brother Matt has a YouTube channel called Make Money Matt, and he is very into helping other people grow their YouTube channels. And that is why he created a course called Tube Mastery and Monetization. And after he created this course, he thought to himself, well, what can I do to help people even further on their YouTube journeys? Now, what he did next is he put over $100,000 into an AI software that can help people with YouTube channels. Now, initially when he started this AI software, he used it just for himself. And then he found he really liked using this AI software, and he started to let some of his students from his course utilize this software. And his students also loved it. And that is going to be the first AI software that we are going to be talking about today, and that is one that is known as TubeMagic. And as Matt's sister, he of course let me check out this TubeMagic, and I saw it for myself, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is such a game changer. Aside from me being his sister, I truly think TubeMagic is one of the most, probably the most helpful AI tool that I have found that relates to helping you grow a YouTube channel, just because of all of the different tools that are on there, and I use it myself to help me run this YouTube channel. And I honestly would be saying this if he wasn't my brother as well. Now, personally, my favorite 2 tools that TubeMagic has to offer is the way it can generate different video ideas, and then it can also create scripts based off of those video ideas that it's generated. So let's say you want to come up with a video idea. Now, I personally already have enough YouTube videos for TubeMagic to sense what the vibe of my channel is. So when I need video inspiration, I literally just put Kayla's Cash into TubeMagic, and then it can generate videos based off of what Kayla's Cash's content is, which is me. Or maybe you're a billionaire and you want to model Mr. Beast's channel. Then you could put Mr. Beast's channel handle into there. Or maybe you want to model my brother's videos. You could put Make Money Matt into TubeMagic. Literally anybody's videos that you like and you want to create for yourself, and you don't know what kind of video you want to make, you can just put their channel handle into TubeMagic and it will generate you a video idea based off of their specific content. Now, maybe let's say you have no idea whose channel to model and you don't know what type of content you want to make, but you know what the niche of your channel is going to be. So let's say you want to make videos about beauty, but you don't know a popular beauty account that you want to model your videos off of. TubeMagic actually has a video research tool. And with this tool, you can just type in the niche of your channel and other popular channels within that niche are going to pop up. And this just makes it an easy way to see what types of channels are getting a lot of views within your niche, and then you can also see what types of videos are getting a lot of views within this niche as well. Another thing you can do is you can find the best keywords within your niche. And this is helpful because keywords help you gain traction on your videos. Another thing that you could do is you can upload a YouTube video to your channel that you've already created, and you can upload this as unlisted. And then what you're going to do is you're going to grab the link of this unlisted video and bring it on over to TubeMagic. And when you plug this link into TubeMagic, it will generate you an optimized description, a title for your video, and different tags for you to use. And truly, TubeMagic has just really sped up my YouTube process, because before it, I usually would just sit down and be like, oh my gosh, what am I going to make a video about? What am I going to make a video about? But with TubeMagic, I can easily research what is trending within my niche, and it just takes the stress off of me. And with writing scripts too, it can create different bullet points for my script that I might not have thought to include if I didn't use an AI tool. And I'll make sure to link TubeMagic in the description of this video if you want to check it out. Now we're going to be moving on to the second AI tool now that I've unleashed my love for TubeMagic, we're going to be talking about an AI tool that is known as Pictory. Now with Pictory AI, you can create a video in literally seconds. And they say that in the description of their website. They say create great videos within literally minutes. And on Pictory, all you have to do is take a script for a video that you already have. You take this script, you put it into Pictory, and it creates a video based off of your script that you've provided. And it is truly just that simple. You take your script, put it into Pictory, it creates a video for you. Now what does this video look like? It'll look like taking different stock photos and videos, and they will correlate those stock photos and videos to what your script is going to be talking about. For example, let's say you're talking about something to do with history, then it would put different historical photos and videos to correlate with what you're talking about. And this is super helpful because then you don't have to take the time and find all of these different photos and videos and edit them all together yourself. You can just put your script into this AI tool and it will do all of the hard work for you, which can really speed up the YouTube process. Now let's talk about the third AI tool that I have for you guys, and this is going to be one that deals with audience retention rates. And what an audience retention rate is it essentially tracks how long people watch your videos. So it can sense if people click off within the first 30 seconds of your video, or if people stay to the end of your videos. So you can imagine with having a YouTube channel, having a higher audience retention rate is going to be something that is important because it can increase your watch time. And another thing that I just thought of is if people stay around longer on your videos and you have ads on your videos, then you make more money. Now for this AI tool, we are going to head back on over to TubeMagic and we are going to scroll down to the video scripting tool option. Now I know I just talked about TubeMagic in the beginning, but I really wanted to dive into one of my favorite AI tools that it has to offer because truly it has a bunch of different AI tools. So you could consider some of these different AI tools separate from each other because they do such different things from each other. But here you can choose a template for your script and you can have a general script, a short script, a how-to script, a script outline, or a list video. And then all you're going to need to do is provide some context for what type of video you want to create. And then you can also select the word count for your video. Now I would suggest maybe having a script around 2,000 words because then you have a longer formatted video, and then in the future when you get your channel monetized, or maybe you already have your YouTube channel monetized, then you can put more ads throughout your videos. And it's easy when AI is doing all the writing and you're not having to do it. But once you hit generate, TubeMagic will literally be analyzing YouTube analytics and looking at viral content. And this is such a great tool rather than using something like ChatGPT because ChatGPT isn't programmed to analyze YouTube analytics and analyze different audience retention rates. And I remember before using TubeMagic to write scripts, it would literally take me a few days to come up with just one script and a video idea. But now that I have TubeMagic, I can write a few scripts a day, easy peasy. And now I realize I feel like when I talk about stuff sometimes I sound like an ad. I'm like, it is so great. You guys need to try this product. Anyways, now moving on to the next AI tool that I have, and that is going to be an AI tool that is known as Opus. When I say Opus, I think of octopus, but no, it's Opus, which I think it's I don't know why that is just such a darling name, you guys. Opus, it's so cute. Opus, there's an Amazon show called Opal, and it gave me nightmares. It's so cute, but it gave me nightmares at the same time. Opal, check it out at your own risk. Now I'm on the Opus AI website right now, and it says that it is the #1 AI video clipping tool. And I just found out that Opus AI is actually powered by ChatGPT. So same company here, and then they also have Sora AI, I believe, which isn't out yet at this time, but I think it's gonna be out soon. I don't know. But what Opus does is it takes a long formatted video and it turns it into a short. And this is really helpful because if you have a YouTube channel, you want to post your content on different platforms such as Instagram or TikTok. This would be a great AI tool to help you create this content very quickly. You wouldn't have to sit down and watch your whole video and then clip out different highlights. Opus would do this all for you. And you could also create YouTube shorts this way to post onto your channel and gain more traction to your channel. And this is super helpful because it just saves so much time in the content process. And this isn't only applicable to just YouTube shorts. Again, you could use it to start an Instagram account that is related to your YouTube channel as well. Now we're going to be getting into our fifth and final AI tool for you guys to grow your YouTube channel and make that potential $1,000 in a day. You'll get there. I believe in you. And that is going to be TubeMagic's Warp Upload tool. And this is one that I, again, utilize myself for my different YouTube videos, as it can help me generate these different tags, descriptions, and titles for my video that I wouldn't have thought of before. And not only does it just generate these titles and tags and descriptions for my video, but before TubeMagic generates these different ideas, it is going to use a viral optimization technique, which is where it's going to scan YouTube. So futuristic. I don't know why I was like, scan YouTube. I don't know. But I know I talked about it briefly earlier in this video, but I just wanted to touch base on it again because it is truly just one of those tools that you can't really find anywhere else at this point of time, at least. But the Warp Upload tool is going to analyze other people's viral videos and see what they used within their videos and then apply it to your video to help you get into the algorithm. And then just like that, you don't even have to worry about what you're going to title your video as, or what types of tags you're going to use in your video, or even the description of your video. However, one thing I would note is to always make sure to go back and read what TubeMagic has generated for you, and maybe just delete some tags that you don't think are applicable to your video. And then make sure to proofread the description and make sure to add some human-esque components here and there, because you don't want to sound like a robot. You do want to sound genuine. Now, the Warp Upload tool is going to be one where you need to upload your video as unlisted, and then you take this link on over to TubeMagic and paste it in there, and it'll analyze what your video is and create these tags and descriptions for you. However, if you don't have this video ready but you want a title for this video, you can just type in what the content of the video is going to be, and it can still generate you a video title. Now, those are going to be 5 different AI tools that can really help you speed up the YouTube content creation process and speed up how fast your channel overall is growing. Now, I know a lot of these tools consisted within the TubeMagic realm, but it is truly an AI software that I haven't really seen yet, and there are so many different tools within TubeMagic that all relate to running a YouTube channel. So again, it is just super helpful if you want to get started on your YouTube journey or just overall speed up the content creation process for your YouTube channel that you already have. If you are interested in creating a YouTube channel, and let's say you don't know where to start, or you just want to gain some more knowledge for how to run a YouTube channel, make sure to click on this video right here. And this video basically talks about how to make money with a YouTube channel without even having to make videos at all. So make sure to click on it. There will be a ton of value within it, and it has truly helped me personally. So make sure to click on it, check it out, and we will see you guys there.